This is my first attempt for reciting any poetry, and that too making a video. I'm trying. A bit nervous, and I just hope I'm able to do even 10% of the justice to it. So the first one which I'm going to recite is an Urdu poetry. फरहत अब्बास शाह साहब की है ये पाकिस्तान से ताल्लुक़ रखते हैं. इन्होंने his focus has always been udasi, which is not really a pessimistic udasi, but something which really provokes people thinking about modern issues, which provokes ideology and a lot of present issues. And I think though it's an old poetry which I'm reciting, but seems very relevant for current times. So पेशी खिदमत. आँख हो तो जलने में देर कितनी लगती है, आँख हो तो जलने में देर कितनी लगती है, बर्फ़ के पिघलने में देर कितनी लगती है. चाहे कोई रुक जाए, चाहे कोई रह जाए, चाहे कोई रुक जाए, चाहे कोई रह जाए, काफ़िलों को चलने में देर कितनी लगती है. चाहे कोई जैसा भी हमसफ़र हो सदियों से, चाहे कोई जैसा भी हमसफ़र हो सदियों से, रास्ता बदलने में देर कितनी लगती है. ये तो वक्त के बस में है कि कितनी मोहलत दे, वरना वक्त ढलने में देर कितनी लगती है. I repeat, ये तो वक्त के बस में है कि कितनी मोहलत दे, वरना वक्त ढलने में देर कितनी लगती है. मोम का बदन लेकर धूप में निकल आना, मोम का बदन लेकर धूप में निकल आना, और फिर पिघलने में देर कितनी लगती है. So this is not the complete nazm. I think I have not recited the last one, which was a quite a bit serious one. Though it is also serious, but I thought I liked it. It resonated a lot with me, and I hope it resonates with you as well. After my Urdu poetry, I thought why not to also recite an English poem, a lyrical poem written by George Lord in 1814, though it was published in 1815. This poem was an inspiration when he met his distant cousin in a party, and he got so inspired by her internal and external beauty that he wrote this poem, and this was published in 1815, and I will try it reciting here. So she walks in beauty like the night of cloudless climes. So George Lord is trying to compare this cousin's beauty, Anne's beauty, with the calmness of night. He describes her beauty as very innocent and very pure. She walks in beauty like the night of cloudless climes and starry skies, and all that's best of dark and bright meet in her aspect and in her eyes. Thus mellowed to that tender light which heaven to gaudy day denies. One shade the more, one ray the less, had half impaired the nameless grace, which waves in every raven tress, or softy lightens on her face, where thoughts serenely sweet express, how pure, how dear their dwelling place. How pure, how dear their dwelling place. And on that cheek and over that brow, and on that cheek and over that brow, so soft, so calm, yet eloquent. So soft, so calm, yet eloquent. The smile that when they tints that glow, but tell of days in goodness spent. A mind at peace with all below, a heart whose love is innocent. A mind at peace with all below, a heart whose love is innocent. A heart whose love is innocent. And that's all from my side. Thank you, and I hope I'm back someday again with some poetry, and I hope I'm better in doing that. Khuda Hafiz.